Hello everyone. Hello my dear students. Welcome back to school. Welcome to our English class. It's time to learn English together. This video is for Prep 1, You Hello, Unit 11, which is entitled On Land and Sea by teacher Amani Fawd. Have you ever been to the ocean? What activities did you do there? Did you swim in the sea? Look at these pictures of some sea animals you can see under the water. You can see starfish, seal, dolphin, jellyfish, crab, shells, and octopus. And now let's learn new vocabulary about sea animals. Coral reef. This is a shark, but this is a whale. Jellyfish, but this is a turtle. Look at this strange fish. It's called stingray. But you know what it is? It's an octopus. And now let's check the new vocabulary by answering this question. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Look at number 1. If you touch a jellyfish, it's something you. Stings, jumps on, pleases, grows. It stings you. Number 2. A shark uses more than 20,000 something in its life. 20,000 feet, fins, tails, or teeth. A shark uses more than 20,000 teeth in its life. Number 3. The something in the air, water, and land around us. The planet, the environment, the life, or the material. The environment is the air, water, and land around us. Number 4. A or an. Something has 8 legs and it can swim fast. An octopus, a shark, a whale, or a jellyfish. An octopus has 8 legs and it can swim fast. Number 5. Plastic is something so sea animals and birds die from it. Dead, alive, poisonous, or careful. Plastic is poisonous, so sea animals and birds die from it. Number 6. The word recycle means to use something once, not use something again, or never use something. Yeah, recycle means to use something again. Number 7. The earth is the something where we live. Plant, planet, star, or moon. Yeah, the earth is the planet where we live. Let's learn something new in English grammar. Let's learn something about zero conditional, the structure, the usage, and some examples. Starting with the form, we begin with if plus present simple, comma, and another sentence in the present simple. We use zero conditional to talk about things that are always true, like a scientific fact. Here are some examples. If you freeze water, it turns into ice. And if you heat water at 100 degrees, it boils. If students miss an exam, the professor failed them. If my wife has a cold, I usually catch it. I get tired if I work too much. If I'm late for dinner, they start eating without me. Here you can notice that we can use if or when in zero conditional sentences. This is a form as we said before. And there are some extra usages of zero conditional. The first of all is to say what always happens if when a certain action takes place. For example, I say hello when I see my friends. I wear my jacket if it's cold. The second usage is to express true situations. For example, if or when you touch the screen, the game starts. I use my dictionary if or when I don't know a word. It also describes facts related to nature, physics, and astronomy. For example, if you put an orange into water, it floats. When you add oil to some water, the oil floats. If or when something has enough air in it, it doesn't sink. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Number 1. When it's late, I something tired. Feel, felt, feels, or feeling. When it's late, I feel tired. Number 2. If my sister watches a lot of TV, she felt, feeling, or feels tired. She feels tired. Number 3. If you something a jellyfish, it stings you. If you touch it, touches, touch, or touching. If you touch a jellyfish, it stings you. Number 4. When I'm hungry, I something to eat. I had, has, have, or having. When I'm hungry, I have something to eat. Number 5. When I feel ill, I something to bed. Goes, go, went, or gone. Yes, when I feel ill, I go to bed. When we hear something funny, we all something. We all laugh, laughed, laughs, or have laughed. We all laugh. When can we use must and mustn't? We use must to talk about things that are necessary to do. We use mustn't to talk about things that you aren't allowed to do. We start the sentence with the subject plus must or mustn't plus the infinitive form of the verb. You must listen carefully to your teacher. You mustn't use a mobile phone in the class. Also, we can use must or mustn't to ask for necessity. Here are some examples. Must I buy a ticket? Yes, you must buy a ticket. Where must I put the rubbish? You must put it in a trash bin. What mustn't you do on roads? We mustn't play games on roads. Now let's practice together. Circle the correct words. Stay safe on the roads. Number 1. You mustn't play games in the road. Number 2. When you cross a road, first you must or mustn't find a safe place to cross. When you cross a road, first you must find a safe place to cross. Number 3. Then you must or mustn't look left and right. Then you must look left and right. Number 4. You must or mustn't follow traffic rules. You must follow traffic rules. Finally, you must or mustn't run across the road. You mustn't run across the road, but you must walk. Should and shouldn't for giving advice. When can we use should and shouldn't in the sentence? We use should or shouldn't to talk about things that are good ideas to do or not to do. We start the sentence with subject plus should or shouldn't plus the infinitive form of the verb. Some examples: we should recycle plastic. You shouldn't waste your time. Here you can use should or shouldn't in the following sentences. She has flu. She should or shouldn't stay at home. She has flu, so she should stay at home. He has backup. He should or shouldn't carry heavy things. He shouldn't carry heavy things. She has a headache. She should or shouldn't take painkiller. She should take painkiller. Steve has a stomachache. He should or shouldn't drink lemon and mint tea. Steve has a stomachache, so he should drink lemon and mint tea. Thank you for your watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye. See you later.